Escrala boy, yeah. I too happy you keep my way, hold on. Soon I'm dead bread like your face, I wanna see. I just wanna be loving you.
What's up?
Hey man, say man, what I do, man? It's Big 4 Cool back at it again with another video. And today we're just gonna be chilling, you know.
Chilling, not chilling, nah.
Stay tuned.
Okay. Talk about school now. Whatever fucking wrong.
Wow, this food nice.
Mm.
Nah, you gotta be talking secret. You don't talk secret. No.
Talk about school. So today,
I bet you when you want some.
me, I don't want processed gummies. I want some.
No.
Big head fingers. So today in math, we're talking about finding the slope of y and x-intercept on graphs, and yeah. I finished my homework at school though. We were supposed to go to 115, but I stopped at, I think 19. No, I stopped at 18. Me?
40. Not you. I gave you it. Hell more. I they only see one side of your B head for Mega Mind.
Okay. So you guys want to see my hair? See my Michael Jordan hat, and then my hair that mommy did.
Big Eva.
Big Eva. Her grumpy head. And at least I look pretty
AKA
with it.
Peanut. She can't speak English.
At least I look pretty with it. Grumpy.
She don't speak English, guys.
Grumpy.
So I have to translate everything.
Grumpy. And Gary.
Grumpy is
Peanut.
peanuts. Gari is farina.
Varan. Or dry cassava. Thank you. Just tell them what African words mean.
What?
Just tell them what African words mean. Butterpia.
Butterpia is
Avocado.
avocado.
Plum. Not mango.
Mangoes.
Or aka another plum too.
Chicle, which Hispanics also use, is gum. Oh, I got another one.
Fisi. Just Fisi. Fisi.
PC, which mean you trash.
She said you.
Get out of
Fisi
my
a
pocket. What your problem?
You Fisi at basketball. And when you trash, you finish. Oh, you know what song I mean not song, but what game we have been playing? Police. Police, yes sir, chief. Who is the road? Find the road. What kind of nonsense you doing? So y'all should drink this. Not sponsored.
You're not sponsoring that. Why ain't showing the name for? Oh, I thought it said some kind of liquor name on the agenda.
This girl is sick. Let me find out something from. I'm watching the show. Just click. Look at it. That's her screen.
You know what you look like?
What?
That girl that goes like. It's very nice.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut You're so annoying. Okay, ready? Shut up, TV for me. Remote up there.
Who go first?
Me.
You hear me?
No, you hear me.
I gotta hit that string, you better watch it. With a cat that I got with a full clip. I got the whip, got the bitch that I keep undercover. All up in the cover. Just to live it. See the stone cold face, try to knock it. I can't be shot, never rock, I'm a rocket. I gotta be in it, I gotta breathe in it. I gotta be, gotta be, gotta be in it.
Okay, that's all. But hey man, do you wanna know why I was actually cussing those noise?
Because you saw that munching noise video. I was
You're mean. No, don't be doing my prank like that. Dang, I was an eating prank. And
Still,
making noise while eating prank. Making noise while eating prank. She didn't even know.
notice.
She didn't even know.
Still, I'm
That's
gonna
why I
tell
just
you.
told her that that's what I was doing. That's why so she shouldn't even lie.
I didn't notice.
But hey man, don't forget to like,
So you're lying,
subscribe,
Joe?
share. Let me do my
We watched it today when we
outro.
Shut your mouth.
I will take out your nose and twist it. Also, you can be smelling the
Shut your
ceiling.
mouth. No. Shut your mouth.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. You already know. Also, don't forget to tap the bell icon for more notifications and when we post our next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, angel.west143. And also, don't forget to add me on Snapchat, Angel Love Peace. You dig?